We're at the cinema and look how big this ice blast is. Okay, I thought it was bigger than my head, but it's only the same size. How big is it compared to your head?
Shit, we need to go.
Go, show me. Your head looks smaller than mine. Me and Luke are the only ones in the cinema.
Not allowed to film in the cinema.
But I'm not filming that, I'm filming me.
To film in the cinema.
Do they still play the film if no one's in the cinema? Just some cool girls heading out on the town. So we're going to Cirque tonight, Cirque Du Soul, and we're looking kind of funky. Oh, I'm wearing a skirt that's a bit small because of Christmas. So yeah, Megan, we're ready for some good times with good friends, aren't we, Georgia? Yeah. Are you taking a selfie? Hello, pets. Hello. Come on, G. Oh, hello. It's the Three Musketeers. Well, it would have been 4 because we were meant to be in surprise with Catherine, but we're not.
Somebody let us down.
Yay, Sissy! Kathleen came to see us. I'ma make your love come down.
Joseph's gonna be DJ! Just woke up. We're at Luke's in Bournemouth. We were meant to be going to this Dundledorm thing today. I'm too tired. So I'm doing meat-free February with Georgia, even though she ate bacon and chicken on the first day. And I mean, it's going well so far. Oh, I can have fish. So yeah, I'm doing meat-free February, and I'm getting a pineapple pizza with no ham. So yeah, today we are going to Slug, and then later on we're gonna go to be at 1. Ah, Luke lost his wallet. What a dick. How long is the pizza gonna be? It's Saturday morning. What are they doing? My fake tan is so good.
Yum. Oh, it's not normal garlic bread. I hate it when they do this shit. So this is my new technique. You fold this bit like this. You dip it in. And you even when you're eating the top bit that's very big, you can fit it all in. Because look, you don't lose any toppings because they're all folded in on each other. Pizza! Don't do it. Don't do it!
What? Why can't I do it?
It shakes all the Fanta so it's not fizzy anymore. You're a snake. Me and Luke are about to go for drinks. Yay! I'm wearing this red top. Oh, that's a good mirror. This red top and this black skirt. And I think we're going to go to Meg's friend's party. Me and Luke are on our way to be at our favourite place ever.
I got a blueberry muffin. Is it a martini? A blueberry muffin. Yum. And Luke got a banoffee pie.
Yeah.
Banoffee pie, old fashioned. You know, chooses the worst one. I don't actually understand how they've done it. Like, it really does taste like a baked in that cup.
Hello. Wow.
Two gingers here.
We've got to film because, like, we were out and stuff, so...
You've got to film.
Oh, stop, look at your little angel face.
We're on the way to Luke's surprise!
Yeah, this bit.
She don't care. Everybody wants to know her name.
No! Oh my god, it's so cold. Bloody Nora. Oh, what does it mean to do you not know? Look at Gav! You're a little angel. Oh, hello. Be excited. Good. Hello.
You from your nap?
You can't really see it.
Yeah.
Oh, little angel. Go on, give her a stroke. Yeah, it went for me, but I still like her. You're cute still. Don't scratch me.
Oh look, you can follow them on Instagram.
Shut up. Oh my god. Follow her out. Don't leave her hate comments just because she went for me there. Pet flicks and purr. Aristocats.
What?
There's like 10 black cats because they're the ones that people leave. It's so sad. I want a black cat. You're showing off. You show off. You show off. You show up in your clothes. Oh. Can you come over when we have food? You do a little bubble. Oh, see ya. So what's around it?
This is Clifford, and then 2 of our kittens, and then bears.
Party over here. Hello, Clifford. He's the daddy bear. Oh.
We just got back. We just got back in the car from the cat cafe. It was so much fun, wasn't it?
It was.
Who was your favourite cat? Michelle went for me, so... Majika, but he didn't actually say hi to us, so my favourite one that said hi to us was probably Clifford. He was like an old man, so cute. Say Gucci Gang 100 times without stopping.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
Do you look like Chalisa?
I'm fine, okay?
I just got home from Bournemouth and had the best weekend. So I'm gonna sign this vlog off here. Subscribe to my channel.